Hello everyone, and now today we will discuss about multiplications. So I will comment out these lines of codes. And now as we have apple variable and banana, so I will write $result is equal to $apple multiplied by, it is the steric sign, and $banana. So that will give us the result. And now equate out, so echo $apple and use the same technique, steric sign, and then $banana, then the equal sign, and then the result. Okay, so now let's check the result. And now you can see 3 multiplied by 2 is equal to 6. So let's give some space to it. And now let's check the result again. Now you can see 3 multiplied by 2 is equal to 6. Okay, and you can do it in another way also. So for example, $apple multiplied by $banana. So we will get the same result here. Now you can see we got the same result. So if we remove this line of code, that will make no difference for us, and we will see same result again and no changing. Okay, so that's it for this class now, and do the division and remainder, try it, and we will do that in the next video. Okay, so that's it for this video now. Okay, bye, thanks, and see you in the next video.